Hari Om. This is Yamuna Devi, and I'm very happy that I have this opportunity to actually speak to you about the practice of meditation. And meditation there's not one specific form to do meditation. Meditation can be practiced while you're cooking, while you are doing your daily chores, your work. Meditation is a state of mind, and it's moment to moment, and it is one-pointed awareness, which means having awareness moment to moment, and that is meditation. Some people like to practice meditation with mala, and we will talk about this also in the future videos. People like to do it with visualizations. You could do it with your eyes open, eyes closed, walking meditation. There are so many different forms, but the key to meditation is not the quantity of time that you take to meditate, it's the quality. So we could do an hour of meditation, but where is our mind during that hour? So it's better even if you just do 5, 10, 15 minutes a day, an example, and the quality is good, and that you have began to train the mind, to help the mind, bring the mind, center the mind back to a state of tranquility, a state where there is thoughtlessness, there is emptiness. So meditation is awareness. You are observing, you are being the observer from outside. Sometimes I tell people, in your job you can actually practice meditation, and it comes with interactions with people, observing yourself in any situation, observing the situation in your environment. How you interact is very important. It is a process of awareness. So it's a very special practice, and I will show you and I will help guide you things that I've come to understand and that I've learned along the time that I've been practicing, and I hope that you benefit from it too. So when you meditate, if you decide to meditate in your home, example, you want to start your meditation practice, important thing is to find a space where you will meditate every day, and you make that space your meditation space. And also try to find the time, try to make the same time your meditation time. Say it's at 6 in the morning, the same space, 6 in the morning, meditate, practice, so that you become conditioned and your body starts creating this awareness, like this is the space where I'm going to meditate. So we will talk about many different things, but first I'd like to do a simple practice, and throughout the time, the videos, I will teach you some breathing practices that will actually help bring your mind to a calm, balanced state, peaceful state. So first of all, I'd like you to sit in a comfortable position, any position comfortable, with your feet flat on the floor if possible. Some people who have problems, pains, can do this lying down, it's okay. Or you can sit in a comfortable chair. Or if your body is comfortable and you've practiced yoga, that you can sit without any support. But just sit however you feel comfortable, your feet on the floor flat, your hands comfortable. You can keep your eyes closed, so I will do it with you. And try to take a long, deep cleansing breath, expanding the chest, and slowly exhale. A nice long, deep cleansing breath, inhaling peace, inhale joy, inhale happiness, and exhaling, relaxing the body. releasing all physical tension, worries, fears, doubt, confusion, all unwanted negativity. And try to visualize your whole body, wherever it is, sitting down, lying down. And try to visualize the body from head to toe. And try to experience if there is any sort of pain, any sort of discomfort, that it's okay. Try to bring your awareness to that area. And try to suggest that area to relax. Relax the forehead, the face, the eyes, the hair, scalp, arms, abdomen, leg, the whole body, the spine, the back, shoulders. And just try to visualize the whole body. A few moments. Try to scan your body. Each inhalation, inhale joy, inhale light, inhale peace. Feel how blessed you are. I feel so wonderful. I feel so peaceful. I feel so happy. And smile. Feel the total state of calmness. And just observe. If any thoughts arise, do not control, do not suppress. And we're going to do a few long, deep breaths. We're going to hold the breath, counting to 5. So taking a nice, long, deep cleansing breath, expanding the whole chest cavity until full expansion. Keep breathing in, holding the breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly exhaling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, nice long deep breath. Keep breathing in. Breathing in. Holding the breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly exhaling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And practice 5 more rounds on your own. Take your time. As you exhale, allow the whole body to gently relax. Feel a state of calmness. Feel a state of peace, a state of harmony. There's absolutely no physical tension. And keep on bringing your awareness to the breathing process. Observe the breath. Observe the expansion and relaxation of the chest. Go on practicing. You can feel each incoming breath. Breath is healing energy. When we're stressed, we half breathe. And therefore we half live. Because when we take long, deep breaths, we're able to nourish the whole body, our whole being. And it's the greatest gift we have. And we can use it properly. Use it wisely. It's your gift given. And one more round. And this is how you begin your inner journey. Slowly open your eyes. So this is a very simple breathing practice that allows you to bring your awareness back to your breath, and you can even experience a state of calmness, the state of harmony, the state of tranquility. In the beginning, when you start your meditation practice, it's possible that your mind wanders, and it's okay. Just when this happens, try to observe your thought. Do not control the thought. Just observe it. And slowly, slowly, the thoughts will begin to vanish. And there are different meditation practices that I will help teach you. And you can practice in your home anytime. And I hope you benefit from it. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Hari Om.